Hello, I am Ilzana Rashadovna Nikitina, the chair of the Student Scientific Society. And on February 20th, the second decade of Olympiads begins at our institute. 10 Olympiads, a month of intensive work, and one common goal to prove that we can think, treat, and win. February 24th or 25th, the 8th Intra-University Olympiad in Human Anatomy, dedicated to the memory of Professor Gleb Yuryevich Skrushko, Doctor of Medical Sciences. This is a level where anatomy is not just a subject, but the foundation of a future profession. February 27th, the first Intra-University Olympiad in Ophthalmology. The debut, the first Olympiad in eye diseases at our institute. We will soon find out who will identify the pathology before their colleagues and who will make the most accurate diagnosis. March 14th, the first Inter-University Olympiads in Normal Human Physiology. This year, students from other universities are joining us. How does the heart work? Why does a neuron transmit an impulse? Physiology is the language our body speaks. March 14th, I Armwood, the first intra-university Olympiads in pathological physiology. Here we don't study the norm, we study the breakdown, disease mechanisms, causes and consequences. Without pathophysiology, there is no clinical thinking. March 14th, IFI Shuf, the second intra-university Olympiad in therapy for English-speaking students. Treating a patient means understanding them in any language. Our international students are ready to prove that medicine knows no boundaries. March 14th and 15th, the 7th Intra-University Olympiad in Surgery. 2 days, sutures, knots, reaction speed and precision. Surgery is not just a specialty, it's a character. March 16th and 18th, the second Intra-University Olympiad in Therapy for Russian-speaking students. Differential diagnosis, emergency care, patient management tactics. 2 days to prove that a modern therapist is a detective in a white coat. March 20th, the second Intra-University Olympiad in Obstetrics and Gynecology. 2 lives in the hands of one doctor. There's no room for error here. Here they teach you to be responsible for 2. March 21st, the third Interregional Olympiad in Pediatric Diseases. Little patience, great responsibility. And on the same day, classes dedicated to White Chamomile Day open. This isn't just a date on the calendar, it's the history of the fight against tuberculosis, a history we must remember. So I'll list the key dates without which the decade wouldn't happen. February 20th, the grand opening of the decade. February 24th through March 21st, the days when your knowledge and skills will be tested. March 25th marks the closing of the decade, the results announcement, and the awards ceremony. Follow the schedule, cheer for your teammates, and come support the participants. The Medical Institute wishes you good luck. It's just the beginning.